Hello students, I Priyanka Manik Rao from Prabhat Kids School Akola. Welcome to the science period. In this period, we are going to see exercise of lesson number 7, our skeletal system. For this, take out page number 94. Then question number first, take the correct options. First, the framework of the human body is called skeletal system. The correct option is skeletal system. Then second, the joints of the fingers, elbows, knees and hips are movable. Means movable joints are present in fingers, elbows, knees and hips. Then third one, the skull protect brain, eyes and ears. Then fourth, the joint at the hip is the ball and socket joint. Then fifth, the bones of the vertebral column are called vertebrae. Correct option is vertebrae. Means the single bones present in vertebral column is called vertebrae. Then come to the question number second. Take the true statements and cross the false one. Now first one, vertebrates do not have a skeleton of a bones. The statement is false because vertebrates have a skeleton of bones. Then second, the skeleton enables the animal to move. This is the correct statement. Then third one, the ribs protect the brain and the spinal cord. This is the false statement because rib protect the lungs and heart. Then come to the fourth one. The bones of the rib cage are not flexible. This is again false statement because the bones of the rib cage are movable bones. They are the flexible bones. And last one is the inner portion of the large bone is filled with a bone marrow. This is exactly true statement. Then question number third, name the parts of skeleton that protect the following organs. First, eyes. The protecting bone is skull, means skull protecting the eyes. Then second one, spinal cord. Correct answer is vertebral column, means vertebral column. This is the part of skeleton that protect the spinal cord. Then third is heart. Ribs protect the heart. Then fourth, brain. Brain means brain, then eyes and ears. All these organs, they protected by the skull bones. Then lungs, ribs protected the lungs and heart also. Then last is the ears. Then correct answer is skull. Skull protecting the ears, brain and eyes. Then question number 4, answer the following questions in one sentence. And question number 5, answer the following question in 2 or 3 sentences. This short answer type question and long answer type question you have to write from the lesson. Then turn over the page and take out page number 96. Higher order thinking skills questions. Then in this question you have to think and answer the following questions. First, why do legs and arms have the large tube-like bones? Then legs and arms have the large tube-like bones because it able to carry weight and tolerate the pressure. Means it carry the extra weight and it is also helpful for the walking and running. Then come to the second question. The vertebral column is not made up of a single bone. And why? The vertebral column is not made up of a single bone because it bears the load of our upper body and thereby protecting our head from the jerks and shock while we are walking and running. So vertebral column is not made up of single bone. Then come to the next question. Why should you play outdoors every day for some times. We all know that we should play outdoors every day because it is always helpful for our health and fitness. So when you play, you exercise your muscles and bones, so it keeps your health fit, and that's why you must play outdoors game regularly. Now come to the next question, value based questions. So maintaining a good posture is important for good health. Read the sentences given below, then tick yes or no against each of them. First, do you rest your feet on the floor when you sit on a chair? If this statement is correct for your posture, then you have to tick on yes or no. Then we have to tick on the yes, because if you feel rest your feet on the floor when you sit on a chair, then the correct option is yes. Then come to the next question, do you sit with your back straight? If you sit on the chair, then your back is straight or curve or bent at backside or front side. If your back is straight, then tick on the correct option yes. Then question number 3, do you stand straight with your shoulders pulled backward? If you pull your shoulder backward, or when you stand in a straight posture, that time your shoulders pulled backward. If all your answers are yes, then you have a good posture, then tick on the correct option yes. Now come on the activity zone. This is the optional part. Activity zone means, in this activity zone some steps of exercises given in this picture, so you have to do these exercises regularly, so it provide the strength to your fingers and the muscles of your fingers. So this is the step 1, step 2, step 3, and all above all steps. In that steps, some steps of exercises, it provide the strength to your finger muscles. Now, the last question is project zone. This is the optional part. So, in this project zone, you have to make a bird. Now, some material is required for making of the bird. You will need a bendable cloth hanger, a piece of wire, and colored paper. So, first of all, look at this picture. This is the simple metallic hanger. Then, bend the hanger, then tie a piece of wire to the hanger to shape the beak and tail and to separate the wings. Means at first this plain or this simple metallic hanger, you have to bend the iron in the shape of beak, and look at this shape beak and the tail to separate their wings. Then in this project we need the bendable cloth hanger and then piece of wires, so colored paper. So next step we have to use the colored papers for covering of the wings, then tail and the face of the bird using these different colors. Now look at this picture, this different type of color papers. By using this different type of color papers, we prepare the bird. Now can you make such a shape or animals without constructing the frame? Can you able to construct without frame? Means from this project we can conclude that at basic step we use the this outermost structure, or this is the basic structure that provide the shape to this bird. Means from this project activity we concluded that every animals, they required the basic framework of their bones. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.